Feeling lost in the labyrinth of SAP CRM? Don't worry, we're about to untangle it all. First things first, accessing the system, enter your designated username and password in the respective fields, ensure caps lock is off, and double-check for any typos, then hit the login button. Once logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation menu on the left side. This is your gateway to all the key modules within SAP CRM. Let's explore account management. Click on the Accounts tab in the navigation menu here. You'll find a list of all your customer accounts. You can search for specific accounts using the search bar at the top. To create a new account, click on the New button. Fill in all the required fields, such as account name, address, and contact details. Accuracy is key here, so double-check everything before saving. Now, let's jump into Opportunity Management. Click on the Opportunities tab. This module helps you track potential sales deals. You can see the status of each opportunity, the expected revenue, and the closing date. Finally, let's look at the calendar and scheduling. Select this module to schedule dates with customers and to manage activities.